USA is home to 124 unicorn startups, making it the country with second most unicorn startups, just behind China. Majority of Americans use the services of these startups at least once or twice every day. If you're wondering what a unicorn startup is, then here's the textbook definition. A unicorn is a privately held startup company valued at over 1 billion US dollars. The term was coined in 2013 by venture capitalist Alan Lee. In this video, you'll see a list of 11 most valued unicorn startups in USA. Hi, I'm Jayesh, and this is Books for Hustlers.
Every motherfucking
If this is your first time here, Books for Hustlers shares book recommendations of some of the most successful entrepreneurs that ever walked our planet. If you're an entrepreneur or aspire to be one, then please consider subscribing our channel. Without further ado, here's the list of top 10 most valued unicorn startups in USA. Startup number 11, DoorDash. DoorDash is a San Francisco-based on-demand prepared food delivery startup founded in 2013 by Stanford students Tony Zhu, Stanley Tang, Andy Fang, and even more. It is valued at 7.1 billion US dollars. Startup number 10, Instacart. Instacart, headquartered in San Francisco, operates a grocery delivery and pickup service in the United States and Canada. Instacart was founded in 2012 by serial entrepreneur Apurva Mehta, a former Amazon employee. It is worth 7.6 billion US dollars. Startup number 9, Robinhood Markets. Robinhood is a US-based financial services company headquartered in Menlo Park, California. The company offers a mobile app and website that gives people the ability to invest in stock, ETFs, and options through Robinhood Financial and crypto trading through Robinhood Crypto. Robinhood was founded in April 2013 by Vladimir Tenev and Baiju Bhatt. It is worth 7.6 billion US dollars. Startup number 8, Coinbase. Coinbase is a digital currency exchange startup headquartered in San Francisco. They broker exchanges of Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classics, Litecoin, Tezos, and many others. Coinbase was founded in June 2012 by Brian Armstrong and Fred Ehrsam. It is worth 8 billion US dollars. Startup number 7, Wish. Wish is an online e-commerce platform that facilitates transactions between sellers and buyers. Wish was founded in 2010 by a former Google engineer, Piotr Szulczewski. Today, Wish is operated by Context Logic Incorporation in San Francisco. As of August 2019, it is valued at 11 billion US dollars. Startup number 6, Epic Games. Epic Games is a video game publisher and software developer company based in Cary, North Carolina. The company was founded by Tim Sweeney as Potomac Computer System in 1991. Epic Games develops the Unreal Engine, a commercially available game engine which also powers their internally developed video games such as Fortnite and the Unreal, Gears of Wars, and Infinity Blade series. Epic Games is valued at 15 billion US dollars. Startup number 5, Palantir Technologies. Palantir Technologies is a private American software company that specializes in big data analytics. Headquartered in Palo Alto, California, it was founded by Peter Thiel, Nathan Gettings, Joe Lonsdale, Stephen Cohen, and Alex Karp. The company's name is derived from the Lord of the Rings. A palantir is an artifact used to communicate with or see faraway parts of the world. It is valued at 20 billion US dollars. Number 4, Juul Labs. Juul Labs is an electronic cigarette company which spun off from Pax Labs in 2017. It makes the Juul e-cigarettes, which packages nicotine salts from leaf tobacco into one-time use cartridges. Juul Labs was co-founded by Adam Bowen and James Monsees. It is valued at 24 billion US dollars. Startup number 3, Stripe. Stripe is a software technology company based in San Francisco. It allows individuals and businesses to make and receive payments over the internet. Stripe was founded in 2010 by Irish entrepreneur brothers John and Patrick Collison, and as of September 2019, it is valued at 35 billion US dollars. Startup number 2, SpaceX. SpaceX is a private aerospace manufacturer and space transportation service company headquartered in California. It was founded in 2002 by Elon Musk with the goal of reducing space transportation costs to enable the colonization of Mars. It is valued at 36 billion US dollars. And number 1, the most valued startup in USA is Airbnb. Airbnb is an online marketplace for arranging or offering lodging, primary home stays, or tourism experience. Airbnb is a shortened version of its original name, airbedandbreakfast.com. The company, started by Brian Chesky and Joe Gebbia, is valued at a whopping 38 billion US dollars. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please consider subscribing and do check out our other videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.